Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something exciting, something many investors overlook, small cap stocks. By that I mean companies that aren't Apple or Google, but the smaller, scrappy names that have been making some huge moves recently. Before we jump into the best performers for December 2025, let's take a moment and make sure everyone knows exactly what small cap stocks are, why they matter, and why they can be both rewarding and risky for investors. Because understanding that gives you way more context before we talk specific stocks. All right, let's get started. This video is only for learning. I'm not your financial advisor, and I'm not telling you to buy or sell anything. The goal here is to understand how the market works, how companies grow, and how we can learn from real examples. Always do your own research before investing your money, and never rely only on one source. First, what are small cap stocks? When you hear small cap, you're really hearing a shorthand for market capitalization. That's the total value of a company's shares multiplied by the current stock price. Small cap companies typically fall in the range of about $250 million to $2 billion in market cap, and mid-cap companies usually range from $2 billion to $10 billion, and large cap companies are typically worth $10 billion or more. So small caps are literally smaller companies, but that doesn't mean they're unimportant. In fact, they often have more room to grow than their larger counterparts, and sometimes that growth shows up in the stock price in a big way. That's what we're focusing on today. Let's talk about one of the most dramatic small-cap stories in recent history, a company that went from being ignored to becoming a global headline. This is the story of GameStop, ticker GME, and how it exploded in 2021. GameStop was a typical small-cap business for many years, a struggling video game retailer. Falling sales, outdated stores, and very little investor interest. Most big traders believed the company was dying. Many hedge funds were heavily shorting the stock, expecting it to fall even further. But then something happened that no one expected. In early 2021, retail investors on social media started buying the stock, one group after another, and this buying pressure created a chain reaction. It triggered what we call a short squeeze, forcing hedge funds to rush in and buy shares to close their losing positions. The result was pure chaos. GameStop's stock price jumped from under $5 to over $480 in just a few days. Its market value went from a small cap level to tens of billions of dollars, almost overnight. The entire world started talking about it. News channels, celebrities, governments, and financial regulators, everyone had an opinion. And here's what makes this story so unique. GameStop didn't suddenly become a tech giant. It didn't launch a magical new product. It didn't announce huge profits. This was pure hype, pure momentum, and pure retail investor power. GameStop became the biggest example of how a small cap stock can explode dramatically when millions of people decide to buy at the same time. Even today, the GameStop 2021 short squeeze is studied around the world. It remains one of the most famous stock market moments of our generation. If you find value in learning about stocks like this, make sure you support the channel. A simple like helps the video reach more people, and subscribing encourages me to bring more research-based content for you. With that foundation, let's talk about the 5 best-performing small-cap stocks for December 2025, ranked by their one-year returns. These are companies listed on major U.S. exchanges, and each has seen significant performance over the past year, even though they still qualify as small caps with market caps under $10 billion. Number 1 is Regencell Bioscience Holdings Limited. Its ticker is RCEL. This stock recently traded around $15, but the real story is the insane volatility behind it. It jumped from just a few cents to over $80 earlier this year. This stock was the top performer, up about 750% over the past year. Yes, 7,500%. That means a $1,000 position would be worth more than $76,000. Regencell works in biotechnology. Companies in this sector can move fast when new news or clinical results come out. That's exactly what happened here. Strong headlines pushed the stock from a tiny base into big gains. This is a rare example, but it shows how dramatic small-cap moves can be when things go right. Next is BTQ Technologies, ticker BTQT. BTQ trades near $6.07 and works in post-quantum cybersecurity. It's still a young company with low revenue and negative earnings. Over the last year, this stock gained about 2960%, nearly 30 times your money. BTQT focuses on technology and digital solutions. When the company reported better earnings and new contract wins, the stock shot higher. These kinds of returns don't happen often, but when a small cap finds traction, the gains can be huge. Third on our list is Oncology Institute, ticker ONCI. TOI trades near $3 for stock price went up roughly 1640% in the past year. That's more than 16 times the return. This company operates in cancer care and treatment services. Healthcare names can get strong investor interest when demand for services grows or when expansion plans catch attention. For ONCI, strong growth in patient services and revenues help push the stock up sharply. Fourth is Abivax, ticker ABVX. ABVX is a biotech stock that now trades above $130, but it started as a small cap before its major breakthroughs. What pushed it higher was the strong clinical trial success for its immune-related drug candidates. In early 2025, it gained hundreds of percent in a few months. Over the last year, it climbed about 1,240%. Abivax works in immunology and infectious disease research. Investors often push biotech stocks higher when there's potential for breakthrough treatments or strong clinical data. A move of more than 12 times over a year is impressive in any market. Rounding out the top 5 is DeFi Development, ticker DEFI. Currently, the stock is traded at $5.83. This stock returned about 1,080% over the past 12 months. That means an investment of $1,000 would have grown to over $11,000. DeFi operates in decentralized finance technology, an area that gets a lot of buzz when innovation picks up. Performance like this reflects renewed interest in fintech and new digital finance solutions. Small caps can outperform big companies for a few reasons. They start from a lower base price. News, earnings beats, or new contracts can push stocks quickly. They may operate in fast-growing sectors like biotech or tech services. Wall Street tends to overlook them until something sparks big interest. When a small cap hits a catalyst, the price can move dramatically, often much faster than large, stable companies. Big gains come with big risk. Small caps can drop just as fast as they rise. They have smaller revenue bases. They may have less cash. They may not turn a profit yet. Volatility is part of the game. That's why these stocks are not for everyone. If volatility scares you, stick with larger, more stable companies. If you want exposure to small caps without picking single stocks, you can consider small cap ETFs. They hold many companies and spread the risk. That way you get access to growth potential without relying on one individual company to succeed. You can also watch AI top stocks for year 2026, as well as 3 penny stocks under $10.